Welcome back. Now let's take a closer look at how we can add pictures to our work in Microsoft Word. The first way I will show you is using the search tool that we used in our last video when we were accessing the dictionary and thesaurus. Remember, to open the search tool, we simply right-click on a word. Let's select water. Right-click on water and click Search Water in the menu that opens up. In the search panel that opens, notice at the top we see the word water in the search bar. Below it, we see the words all and more with a drop-down arrow. Click the drop-down arrow and underneath web, click on Media. Media includes images or pictures that we are allowed to use in our work. Before you add a picture to your document, make sure you place your cursor where you want the picture to be added. So I'll place the picture here next to water. Now I can come back to the search panel and I can find the picture that I wish to add, hover over it, and click on the plus sign that appears. Notice that that picture has now been added to my Word document right before the word water. The search bar has also inserted the name of the picture as well as the name of the author or the creator of the picture. Another way we can add pictures to our work in Microsoft Word is by using the Insert menu here at the top of the toolbar. Let's click on Insert to see what tools are available. Notice that we can insert a table. We'll take a look at that in our next video. We can insert a picture, a drawing, a link, even an online video. Let's start by inserting a picture. So again, I'm going to place my cursor by clicking on the page where I want the picture to be added. And then I'm going to click the drop down next to picture. Notice that I can choose a picture that's saved on my device. I can choose a picture from OneDrive, images that are stored by Microsoft in Microsoft Word, or I can use Bing to search for a picture. Let's use Bing to search for a picture online. And we'll go ahead and type in the water cycle. Once I've found a picture that I want to use, I simply select the picture and click Insert. All right, now that we've added a couple of pictures to this Word document, let's take a look at how we can move the pictures around and resize them. So first of all, to resize a picture, let's click on this picture of water. Notice when I click on it, we see these circles or dots outlining the picture. If I click, let's say on this bottom right corner dot, I can drag to resize the picture. In this case, making it smaller. I can again click on this picture and make it bigger by dragging that right corner down. When adding pictures, if you find that your pictures end up on top of what you've typed or right in the middle of a sentence, you can fix that by making sure you select the picture, and in the picture menu, so click on picture in the menu bar, select wrap text. In the drop down, you can select square left or square right. If we square left, notice where it places the picture. If I square right, it moves it to the right side of the page. All right, now that we've inserted a couple of pictures, let's click on the Insert menu again to see what else we can add. Let's scroll down and place our cursor below the second picture we added. And now let's try inserting a drawing. When I click on drawing in the toolbar, a drawing canvas opens up. Here I can add shapes. I can edit my shape. I can add a text box. If I select the text and click on text, I can change the font and the size, make it bold, italicized, underlined, and change the color. I can also add a picture. If I click picture, it will let me choose a picture to upload from my device. Notice next to insert, I can also click on draw, and this gives me a set of drawing tools that I can use to draw on the canvas or mark up what I have added to the canvas already. Once I'm finished my drawing, I simply click Save and Close, and my drawing is added to my work in Microsoft Word as a picture. Notice that I can select it, I can resize it, and I can move it around on the page. In our next video, we are going to take a closer look at how you can insert a table into your Word document, and then how you can use your notes of information that you've been collecting to add the information to your table.